And welcome to this particular maths test as your homework. So here we've got 32 various different types of questions, just to check what your strengths and your weaknesses are like. So go through them one by one, do plenty of working out as you go along, and just try your best. And in our next lesson, we will go through them individually one by one. So let's just start off with a couple of questions. So what is the name of the 2D shape shown below? Remember, a 2D shape means a two-dimensional shape. And a two-dimensional shape is always a flat shape. So what image can we see? What shape can we see here? So this is a rectangular 2D shape in front of us. What is the name of the 2D shape shown below? So in this case, let's just calculate the number of sides in this particular question. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sides. So which shape has 6 sides? So it will be a hexagon. A hexagon always has 6 sides, but you can see that this is not a normal hexagon. This is not a regular hexagon. This is what we call an irregular hexagon. Reason being because it doesn't look like our normal regular hexagon. So this is an irregular hexagon. A regular hexagon would look something like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, roughly like this. Okay, that will be a regular shape. Good luck with the rest of the questions and see you very soon. Take care.